Hi guys, I'm back. So, yeah, the one I just did, and I probably posted that video, but I'm redoing it. I scraped it, I didn't like it, and I'm going to try it again. You know, every time I try using the hairdryer, I'm not getting cells using the hairdryer, and I don't know why. Does anybody know why? I mean, I've got it on high. I probably even put it on cool. I don't know. I tried that a few times and I just don't get the cells that I want when I do it with the blow dryer. So, I am going to try again with this and just blow it by mouth. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do exactly the same colors. This is my golden iridescent pearl. And put a little bit of gold around the edge there. And my wine color, which is hot cinnamon and snapdragon, and my Arteza crimson with some hot cinnamon in it. And then my Liquitex Basics magenta. With some snapdragon in it. And I'm going to put a little bit more gold on top of this, like so. And, you know, I want to try something here. It's not going to hurt it for me to try. So, might as well go for it, right? I wanted to try this, so let's just try it. What's the worst that could happen? I tilted it all off. Done that before, not a big deal, right? And I think I'll put some gold on top of that. Okay, let's get some CA on here. See what we can get. Oh, I need to step up to blow on this so I don't lay my chest in it. So bad. Alright, let's blow on this. Sorry for my head getting in the way. There's no other way to do this. Oop, come back here. I didn't put gloves on. Oh my god. I need gloves on. I absolutely need gloves on. Just give me 1 second before that falls off my table. I don't know why it's doing that. I took that thing out from underneath it. I'm going to have to re-level this, I guess. Oh gosh. Come on, get the gloves on, Joe. Sorry, you guys. Dang it. Okay. Number 2, on. Okay, let's see what we can get here. Wow. Wow, I sure splattered that all over there, didn't I? Didn't mean to do that. Oh, I wish I was getting a little bit more right there. Wow, I've got some really, right here, I know you can't see that, but I've got like a peach, a pink, a purple, gold cell right there. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And it doesn't look like I'm going to get anything over there. I do have some bubbles. Big one right there. A couple little ones right there. Pop, pop, and my light just went off, and now I can't see the bubbles. Alright, whatever. Let's just tilt this one and see what we got. Want to? I do. Okay. It's quite pretty. I do have cells in there. Ooh, is that ready? Let's go this way first. Let's just go nice and slow. Boy, that looks cool there, right? So much for the heart shape, huh? I knew I would have to tilt that off. Was pretty sure, but I had to try. Boy, we've had so much snow the last 2 weeks. It's like every time I get up in the morning and I go to my blinds and I peek out there. I'm like, please tell me there's no snow today. Should get tired of having to get out there and scrape my car off every morning before I can do anything, like go to work or anything else. Wow. Okay, this one's kind of, oh gosh dang it, I just dripped right on there, didn't I? I'm supposed to be watching what I'm doing there, aren't I? I didn't watch. Gotta get this off of here before it pulls all that off. Fix this a little bit, you know, where I spewed that black. And I think I can just fix that with my finger. Not sure. We'll see how it turns out. Alright, right there. Let's take it back this way just a little bit. What do you think? I think it's pretty. Do you? Not bad. So I think this definitely goes like this. What do you think? I think it's quite pretty. And I am going to call it done. Okay, let's get you down for a close-up here. There's some pretty amazing stuff going on in this. Okay, I'm going to turn it around this way to do your close-up. And close off. And let's bring you down. Okay, there we go. What do you think? Wonky cells. At least I got some this time. Those right there. That is so awesome. How come the whole thing can't be covered with that? You know? There's that one cell I told you, boy, that opened up so nice. Wow, multicolor. I didn't even use green in there. Crazy, huh? Huh. I don't know what I'm doing wrong still, but anyway, we just keep practicing. I know you gotta do it a billion times. Seems like before you get it, and then when you got it, you're like, well, I got it, and the next one turns out like, what did I do wrong? But we'll see. So thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.